Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut on PC. And in today's video, I will show you how to edit your video clip in timeline in CapCut video editing on PC. Let me show you how. So for instance, this particular video, my timeline right here, I want to rotate it. How do we do that? There are many ways by which you can use to rotate your video. Simple way how you can rotate your video. First thing first, adjust the scale of the video. Come to the sidebar right there, adjust the scale of the video as much as possible. Once you are done and you're able to see a rotation plate right here, what you need to do is drag and rotate the video based on the degree you want, or better still, you can come to the sidebar right here where you have the rotation size right there. So you can go ahead and type in the figure of the rotation you want. Let's say, for instance, I want to rotate this video by 45 degree. Enter. It's going to give you 45 degree. You want to rotate it by 180 degree. Let's say, for instance, I want to rotate it by 180 degrees. So go ahead and type in 180 degrees, and everything is going to be rotated just like what you see right here. Now, when you are done with everything, as your rotation is concerned, you can go back to your scale and scale it back to the full canvas of the workspace, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use CapCut video editing software on PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.